I'm gonna get myself one of them Crown Victorias, and I'm gonna swap in 2 big ass turbos on that thing. 2 big old eBay turbos. What type of life expectancy are you really going for on this thing? From here to there. That's it. So you're talking one run. Like, this thing's basically got a drag car engine. It's gonna have so much force that it's gonna twist the chassis coming off the line. What are you gonna do when the engine just welds itself together? See, that's where I'm gonna come up with my next big plan. Ejecto-Ceto.